Thursday, September 11th. Yesterday, if you watched the video from this morning, we soaked our carrots overnight, so it's Friday, and we're going to look at those if you didn't get an opportunity um, to do the experiment at home. So, what we did is we're trying to determine how cell membranes let things in and out and how they are the gatekeepers of the cell. So we took carrots and we soaked them. We soaked carrots in just plain water. We soaked carrots in a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a cup of water. We have another cup with 1 teaspoon and a half a cup of water of salt. And the last one is 2 teaspoons of salt and a half a cup of water. So we let those sit overnight. And we wanted to see what would happen to the carrot with different concentrations of salt. These concentrations of salt would make the solution either isotonic, which is the solution is equal in the carrot and the water, hypertonic, which would make the solution more concentrate of the water than the carrot, or hypotonic, which would make the solution less concentrated than the carrot. So, which would mean either the salt is moving into the carrot, or it's moving out of the carrot, or nothing's happening. So, these are your observations. So I'm just going to pull each carrot out and you can look at them. And we wanted to see how much the carrot was bending, okay? If the salt is getting inside the carrot, then it's going to really bend a lot. Okay, so our first one is the carrot with water. It doesn't bend at all. And then we have the carrot with a half a teaspoon. It bends a little. Then we have the carrot with 1 teaspoon. I would say it's a little more pliable, a little more bendable. And last, we have the carrot. Do you think it's bending even more than the other ones with 2 teaspoons? So those are your observations. So now you need to go back and grab your lab sheet and fill that out, but don't forget to read the document below that talks about isotonic, hypertonic, and hypotonic solutions, and that will help you. Have a good day. Goodbye.